Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful MDF pen stand. I use this pen stand from Itsy Bitsy. This is MDF and I used salmon pink color from Fevicryl. You can use any color that you want. This is a very beautiful color and it matched with the paper that I used. You can use any paper. You can use a napkin, you can use A4 paper, chart paper, any paper that you can stick to it. I used the combination of glue and water and applied it using a brush. As you can see, it's a very like a single coat of glue and water, and with using my hands I just stick it. As you can see, it's very easy. Here I use a sticky lace and applied it all over on the top edge of my pen stand, and I also used sticky stones on top and bottom, and that is it. That is how I decorated my beautiful MDF pen stand. Hit like if you like it and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Thank you guys.